$700 is a massive chunk of change to just give away for nothing. Think about what that buys: a brand new television, a full month of groceries, or maybe a whole new wardrobe for the season. That is exactly why digital predators use that specific number to bait their hooks. You see an ad or a link for a site called TarGifted, and it looks official enough at a quick glance. It uses the familiar red circles and the same clean fonts you see when you are walking through the aisles of your favorite big box retailer. They tell you that you are just a few surveys away from a massive payday. But the truth is much grittier than a simple marketing promotion. This website is not part of the official retail company at all. It does not live on the real corporate domain name. Instead, it sits on its own little island, waiting to harvest your most private data. When you land on a page like this, you are entering what experts call a reward funnel. This is a sophisticated trap designed to make you do the heavy lifting for someone else's profit. You start by answering simple questions that feel totally harmless. What is your favorite color? How often do you shop? Then the requests start getting more demanding and intrusive. Suddenly, you are being asked to sign up for free trials of products you do not want or need. You might even be told to download apps that look incredibly suspicious. Each time you click a button or enter a detail, a third-party advertiser gets paid a small commission. You, on the other hand, get exactly nothing for your time. It is a digital treadmill where the finish line keeps moving further away every time you think you are close. If you look closely at these sites, you will notice there are no clear terms and conditions. There are no official rules or legal fine print that a massive corporation would always provide. There is a very simple reason for that. There is no actual prize waiting at the end. These sites are hunting for your email address and your phone number. They want to sell your identity to telemarketers or use it for phishing attempts later on. Some people have even reported being led into nasty subscription traps. They find their credit cards are charged month after month for services they never intended to buy. It is a classic shell game played on a digital stage. A real retail giant would never hide a $700 giveaway on a random, unrelated website. They would host it right on their main page, where they can get the most credit for the marketing. They would have a long list of legal disclosures. They would never ask you to pay for a trial just to get a reward. If a deal feels like it is too good to be true, your gut is usually telling you the truth. Scammers love the idea of gift cards because they are like digital cash. They are hard to track and even harder to get back once they are gone. The government consumer protection agencies warn about this constantly. The best defense is a healthy dose of skepticism. Before you type in your name, look at the address bar. If it is not the official store site, close that tab. Do not let the promise of easy money cloud your common sense. Protect your information like it is gold, because to these thieves, it is the ultimate prize. Stay sharp and keep your wallet close to these fake promises.